I believe that all innocent life is precious and sacred, and as governor, I have pledged to do everything in my power to protect it. And that's what I'm doing today. I understand that not everyone will agree with this decision, but if death is determined when a heart stops beating, then doesn't a beating heart indicate life? Hear, hear.
This is about protecting life. It's about protecting the unborn. This is about, we determine death when a heart stops beating, and therefore I believe that life is when a heart is beating, and I am not, I don't want to do anything to stop a beating heart. I'm pro-life, and I think that morally we have an obligation to do everything that we can to protect the unborn.